I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup with beef stock. First, prepare your ingredients by washing and chopping all vegetables into uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, measure out about 6 cups of your favorite beef stock. Finally, have your protein ready, whether it's diced beef or a vegetarian option like cooked lentils for later steps. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften and become fragrant. If you're using raw meat, like 1 pound of diced beef, brown it thoroughly before adding the other vegetables. With your aromatics softened, it's time to build the soup's base. Pour in the 6 cups of beef stock, making sure all your vegetables are nicely submerged. Now, add your chosen herbs and spices, perhaps 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and a bay leaf to infuse rich flavor. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Your delicious beef stock soup is almost ready. Stir in any pre-cooked protein like shredded chicken or delicate greens such as spinach during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to achieve perfect balance. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade creation. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.